The Greatest Showman star Hugh Jackman reportedly picked up a New York City penthouse for $21.12 million recently. The 4,675 square foot luxury condo was originally listed in October 2021 for $25 million and was relisted in April 22 for $22.5 million. Want to know more about this? Luckily for you, TTP member, we've prepared all the things you need to know about Hugh Jackman's newest purchase of the luxurious New York City penthouse. Keep watching this video to know more about this $21.1 million worth of penthouse and Hugh Jackman himself. Though the recent acquisition was blockbuster, Hugh Jackman just made a splash in the real estate market. The actor recently purchased a New York City penthouse for $21.12 million, according to an exclusive from the Wall Street Journal. Originating from Jean Nouvel's famed architecture, the exclusive condo was originally listed in October of 2021 for $25 million. It was later sold in April of 2022 for $22.5 million. Daniel Fishel and Sylvia Neal are the sellers. Mr. Fishel is president of Compass Lexicon and a former dean at the University of Chicago Law School, while Ms. Neal was an associate dean there. Fishel's office wasn't immediately returned to comment. The dashing leading man in May shared a video of his massive sky mansion on Instagram. "I practiced sitting in tails and so on," said the star, apparently getting ready for the Met Gala. In their new abode in the city center, they have wonderful views from all the windows and multiple outdoor spaces. A lack of outdoor space was an issue in their old residence, which is frustrating because outdoor spaces are a part of their identities. The penthouse features 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, as well as a library or 4th bedroom. It is a full-floor residence with direct elevator access, and the open concept living and dining areas hold a sky view and water views. The eat-in kitchen features a breakfast bar along the window. Plus, one of the stars from the musical The Music Man has a room for practicing and playing music. One of the premier guest bedrooms features a luxury bathroom, dressing room, and 3 exposures. The view stretches from the Hudson River to the Empire State Building. The exterior of the building includes a large loggia and separate terrace. The roof deck is highlighted by the lounging area. The outdoor kitchen, bright with natural light and water views, is perfect for hosting large dinner parties while still being able to watch the lights below. The boutique building has indoor-outdoor lap pool, fitness center with sauna, full-time concierge service, and door attendants. The accommodation is close to the Highline Park, Chelsea Piers, and Chelsea restaurants and shops. The high-profile purchase by Mr. Jackman comes as his wife, Deborah Lee Furness, recently listed her apartment on Perry Street at the Richard Meier-designed tower for $39.2 million. The listing is now by Deborah Grubman, David Adler, and Paul Albano of Corcoran Group. Now, let's get to know Hugh Jackman more. What is he famous for? Hugh Michael Jackman is an Australian actor and producer who has been involved in films, musical theater, and television. His start in films and TV came in his native Australia, where his role as Curly won him recognition outside of that nation. After he was catapulted to stardom with starring roles as Wolverine throughout the blockbuster hit X-Men, starring roles continued into sequels like X2, X-Men: The Last Stand, and X-Men Origins: Wolverine. Hugh Jackman is an accomplished actor and performer who has enjoyed critical success from films ranging from romantic comedy Kate and Leopold to thriller Swordfish. After joining the cast of Christopher Nolan's film The Prestige and Darren Aronofsky's film The Fountain, he worked with Nicole Kidman and Baz Luhrmann on their lavish period Peace Australia. He is a veteran of the musical stage, so he was a natural fit to host the Tony Awards and Academy Awards. Jackman also starred in Les Miserables, which was highly anticipated after being delayed for many years. In addition to this Emmy, he has won 2 Tonys and a Golden Globe. He also lent his voice for many animated characters and hosted the Tony Awards 3 times before winning an Emmy Award for one of his many appearances on television. In his early life, Jackman was born on October 12, 1968 in Sydney, New South Wales, with parents Chris John Jackman, a Cambridge-trained accountant, and Grace McNeil. His parents are English and migrated to Australia in 1967. His parents divorced when he was 8, and his mother moved back to England with 2 of her daughters. He has 4 older siblings and a younger half-sister from this marriage. Hugh Jackman attended elementary school at Pymble Public School in his hometown of Sydney, and later attended Knox Grammar School on Sydney's Upper North Shore while starring into the musical production of My Fair Lady when he was 12 years old. As part of his final year at the University of Technology, Sydney, he took a drama course to make up additional credits. Robin majored in theater, graduating with a degree in dramatic arts in 1991. Playing Václav Havel's play The Memorandum led to a part-time summer job and culminated with his graduation. He graduated in 1994 from the Western Australia Academy of Performing Arts after completing their 1-year course, The Journey. Jackman got his first professional job in 1996, becoming famous for starring in Coralie, an Australian television 10-part series with Deborah Fee-Furness that was aired on ABC TV. In 1998, playing the lead role of Curly in the Royal National Theatre's acclaimed stage production of Oklahoma in London's West End, he earned an Oliver Award nomination and international recognition. In 2004, he was nominated for many accolades for his Broadway portrayal of Australian songwriter-performer Peter Allen in the hit musical The Boy from Oz, and co-starred with Daniel Craig in the play A Steady Rain. In 2005, actor Hugh Jackman and longtime John Palermo created a production company called Seed Productions to produce low-budget films in Jackman's native country. In 2006, Nolan's films The Prestige was completed starring Christian Bale, Michael Caine, and Scarlett Johansson. Jackman played the role of being Robert Angie, a magician who is trying to outdo a contemporary Alfred Bauerhin. He played 3 different characters in director Darren Aronofsky's futuristic science fiction film, The Fountain, artist Tommy Crew, Captain Thomas Crew, an explorer from Spain who is also the father of Tommy, and time-traveling astronaut Tom. With an acting experience since age 12, he was cast by director Baz Luhrmann in his 2008 epic film, Australia. He played a tough, independent cattle drover who reluctantly helps an English noblewoman. In 2011, he released a show in San Francisco at the Curran Theater from 3 to 15 of May. The show included songs from Broadway and Hollywood musicals with an orchestra of 17. He appeared as Jean Valjean in the musical film adaptation of Les Miserables, which was a huge success both commercially and critically. He starred in Jean Valjean's role, which meant he was the protagonist. He has lent his voice to numerous animated characters, including Emperor Penguin Memphis in the film Happy Feet, Rat named Roddy in the film Flushed Away, and Easter Bunny named Jack Frost in the movie Rise of the Guardians. When it comes to awards, Hugh Jackman surely has tons. Jackman was nominated for an Academy Award for Les Miserables. He won a Globe and Gold Award in the Best Performance by an Actor in a Motion Picture, Comedy or Musical category. In 2005, he won an Emmy in the category Outstanding Individual Performance in a Variety or Music Program for the 58th Annual Tony Awards. He had previously won the same award the previous year. His role in the X-Men series has won him many awards, making him a successful actor. These events include the Saturn Best Actor Award for X-Men, People's Choice Favorite Action Movie Star Award, and Teen Choice Award for X-Men Origins, Wolverine. He won 2 Tony Awards for his performances, Special Tony Award category Actors Equity Association 2004, and also for Best Performance by a Leading Actor in a Musical for The Boy from Oz. He was awarded the 2,487th star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in 2012. Tom Hopper and his co-stars Anne Hathaway and Amanda Seyfried were present to give him this award. Jackman married Furness in 1996 after they connected on the set of Australian TV show Coralie. After miscarriages, the couple adopted 2 children, Oscar Maximilian and Ava Elliott. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon!